I'm going to be teaching you on how to make all TikTok videos private at once. So let's dive right into the video. So looking here on the screen is the profile section of my TikTok account. So in order for you to actually make all TikTok videos private, the first step you need to take is to go to the profile section just like this. So the next step you need to take is to click on the three-line icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Then you need to go to your settings and privacy. So right here on your settings and privacy, you need to scroll down gently and go to activity center. If this is the first time you are seeing this channel, do it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. I make videos like this on this channel in order to help you fix your problem. So right here is the activity center on your TikTok app. Scroll down gently and you're going to see where it says manage post visibility. So right here you can see that there are some of the videos here which are for everyone. So all you need to do is to check those ones that are for everyone, which are actually visible to all, and tick them just like this. So once you're able to tick those ones that are for everyone, go ahead and click on next. So I'm going to scroll down gently. I'm going to click on everyone. Go ahead and click on everyone right here and you're going to see all the videos that are for everyone that are currently public on TikTok. After selecting them like this, go ahead and click on next and select only me. So when you click on only me, go ahead and click on update in order to update it. So with this, you'd be able to make those TikTok videos private at once. So when you go back to your profile section, those TikTok videos are going to be made private